are back at it again, folks, with another outdoor landscape drainage solution, outdoor landscape transformation. What we do each and every time. I want to give a big shout out to one of our weekend warriors. Mr. TJ Bullock himself came out here in an exceptional fashion, not only putting himself in a position to set himself up financially, but also learned a great deal. And that's just what we do each and every time we ask for anyone to come out. It's not necessarily that we need the help, but it's because we want to make sure that we're helping out our community. So we definitely appreciate TJ for coming out here. And he also does his own personal training. So if you need a personal trainer, you're looking to get in shape, maybe you're looking to achieve some of those goals for 2020, then it says you want to make sure that you give TJ a call. And I'll make sure I give you his number. Just simply message me and I'll be able to help you out. Exceptional fashion, folks. This wall is turning out amazing. That's right, absolutely amazing. In addition to that, we're going to be bringing in over 10 tons of decorative gravel. So what it's going to do is it's going to eliminate the customer's need to have to put any type of grass back in this area. And that's just going to make it so that we don't have to worry about ever having to mow the lawn. But this is something that a lot of our clients have decided to do, which is really just put themselves in a position so they don't have to worry about how they're going to deal with the landscape going forward. So as you can see, this beautiful anchored diamond 9D retaining wall block is a great way to not only enhance your landscape, but also put yourself in the best position going forward to get the resale value. You know, landscape outdoor transformations are similar to like life insurance, because you really don't know how much you need it until you get ready to sell your home. But once you do get ready to sell your home, the value that you're going to get after someone sees what you've been able to do is exactly why we've become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. Is because we give you that quality and we also give you the quantity of service. And so as you can see from this customer that we did several years ago, which has inspired this job that we're currently on, it gives you an opportunity to see why our outdoor landscape drainage solutions, outdoor landscape transformation has become so famous. And it definitely gives you an opportunity to see how you are going to be able to be impacted. Appreciate you, sir. Okay. All right. You keep that shirt too.
What's the thing? Yeah, definitely so.
You know, one of the things about Brooks Remodeling and Renovations, Brooks Landscaping, is that we're willing to go where the Bobcat can't go. We're right here in the Hiram area, Highland Falls. And it says we're not able to get our Bobcat in here, but come on down here, Austin. I want to show you one more of our weekend warriors right here at Brooks Landscaping. Mr. Austin himself came out here and he's been putting in an exceptional job. But I just want to show you guys why we were looking for someone, by providing them with an opportunity to come out here and make a tremendous amount of money for a very short time of work. It's because of the great customers that we've been able to build and the blessings that God has given me. So I'm blessed to be a blessing right now, and I want to make sure that I continue to spread that wealth throughout our entire community. But as you can see, folks,